before doing anything, do you see this map right here? Watch when I drag this around.
Fun time with DissiNotRA.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. Today is a really exciting day for the Reason gang because Reason 11.2 has been released, and in this new version we not only have now MIDI out for Reason plugin, kind of a little bit bitter about again because now again all my friends are even more able to do what I'm doing, because that means that you can now use all of the sounds from your Reason plugin that you're using in another music software MIDI out into any MIDI controller that you like. That is amazing. But that's not all. The second thing that comes in that version that I'm extremely excited about is the new player, BeatMap. BeatMap. That was a little bit cool. BeatMap, guys! There's a reason why it's called BeatMap, okay? How they themselves call it, beatmaking is a journey, which now has become a reality. Enjoy. Test. Adjust the levels here. As you can see, we have like a beginning of a song and so on, and the next thing you would probably do is go to your drum instrument right here. Mine is the Kong, my favorite one, as you know, and you would start playing the drums. So now, especially for people like me that perform live, that do live looping, guys, my world has drastically changed. I love you, Reason, so much. I love you so freaking much. Sorry, I'm turning away from the microphone. I love you, Reason. Because guys, you will freaking not believe it. Live looping game has been changed. As you know, I would now start looping, or if I want to make a song, I would obviously record whatever I practice or program the notes into the sequencer and so on and so forth. But now, check this out, guys. So you want to go to the built-in devices here. And you will find, if you update it to 11.2 or if you just download Reason newly, you will find this little kit here. So since this is not a beginner tutorial, you obviously know how to build the rack. If not, check out my other videos. So watch this. You can do this, by the way, with every drum machine that you have in here, okay? Sorry. With every beat making device here in Reason, okay? You just drag this over. Watch what happens. I mean, do you see my hands doing something? Do you see me doing something? No? Watch this. Do you see anything playing here? So, before I even get into the awesomeness right here, first of all, I want to show you why it's called mad. Okay? Before doing anything, do you see this map right here? Watch when I drag this around. Oh! Okay, so we have a map select, as you can see, right? And we can lock the map select right here. Can you see that? And what we're locking here are the kick, the snare, the hat, and the percussion pattern that this wonderful beat map is creating right here. I want to lock the snare, so let's keep that. And the kick, we could basically, let's get the kick. Yes. Ooh, that one is nice. Let's lock this one down. As you can see, guys, this is so beautiful. I mean, I hardly have to do some work now. I have to do nothing no more. Let's go back to something simpler again. Although that was amazing. Jesus. So now imagine we're live, alright? Sorry. And I haven't even recorded any loops so far yet, right? How awesome is that? So watch, since we're in the times of trap music, watch what happens if I up the density of the hat. Okay? Obviously that works with everything, so if I up the kick here, ooh! Okay, we're exaggerating, but guys, imagine we're doing this live, alright? Again. But it gets better. Wait for it. Now, we have this little mirror here, okay? You can kind of imagine what it does. The mirror, you know what I'm saying? It mirrors, in this case here obviously, the snare, and gives you even more fill-ins, guys. Like, whoa, you see this? Watch this. Guys, it's so amazing. Now, first thing you're asking, okay, everything great so far, but how am I getting all of this into the freaking sequencer right here, right? Easy, watch. But you gotta press stop. Make sure you press stop first, otherwise it's not gonna work. Send to track. Look at this little beautiful button. Boom! Watch this. What we have just created. Plus, look at the fields in here. Look at it. That's why it sounds so beautiful, guys. You see the velocity, how beautiful it is? You know what I'm saying? Okay, now, let's get rid of this again. By the way, it will, as you can see right here, basically fill out in your sequencer the track from where you put your left and your right loop cursor, all right? Okay, so, but since we're already here, do you see this button right here? Can you see this button here? Direct record. Guess what that means? Do you see what just happened when I click the record button? Direct record and here record. Let's not overdub all the time. Let's bypass this real quick. See? See how it recorded what we just did? Guys, I'm just saying, live performance, alright? Okay, but now all of this is getting even more beautiful, guys, because imagine you map all of these knobs here to your MIDI device knobs. Let's try that. Here, edit remote override mapping as the usual. Move the key on your MIDI device that you want to basically be the controller for the knob here that we chose, or that you choose. Click OK. Yes, replace. Watch. If I move this knob here right now, watch what happens. Oh my god, guys. You see what that means for live performances? Let's do this one too. Let's go here and move this one here. Now I have the kick and the hi-hat. You see that? And I can do this with whatever I want, guys. Do you even understand what that means? Woo! You see? Guys. Alright. Now, because we're just playing around, we have this default setting. Now let's do Friday beat. Watch what happens. Ooh! You heard how this changed? You heard that? What's that? Oh! Oh my god, guys. Almost, we're almost there. We need to turn this one down and the mirror here gone. Let's actually get one there. Boom. As you can see, we have a completely different feel again. You see now why they say beat making is a journey and why they call it beat map? See what I'm saying, guys? Isn't that beautiful? Anyway, trap. Woo! Are you even understanding what that means? We also have here a randomized density knob that basically randomizes the density, as you can already understand by the word. See, it just randomized it. Then here we have a learn key knob. As you can see, it says C1, meaning it basically learns what key your song is in and basically adjusts to that. Better be. I remember back in the days when I recorded my first real album, I personally tuned the toms and the drums so that it fit to the song. So look at that luxury right here. Anyway, we have here also a rate. We have 16ths or less. Anyway, guys, you know what's up, right? Anyway, I think I covered everything. You know, if you have questions, let me know. What a beautiful device. I cannot say how much I love this freaking program. Reason, you are the best and you stay the best. That's it, everyone. As you can see, this is so exciting, everything that's going on. And if you haven't been a Reason user by now, go figure. that I suggest downloading. Reason in the link below right now, because as you can see, it's thebomb.com. Awesome, blossom, blossom. Guys, get ready. I have gotten so many ambassador requests, it's ridiculous. I'm coming at you with a bunch of freaking discount codes for jewelry, shoes, bathing suits. Even they know that means it's party time, guys. And as usual, if you have any requests or ideas, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check the links. And don't forget to check the link. And don't forget, there's awesome stuff to discover behind the microphone. And don't forget to check the links. There's awesome stuff to discover, like these awesome BeatMaker hats. And as always, much love to everyone. Stay focused and have a blessed night.